Water's so important to me, and it always has been. I appreciate the fact that it takes a lot of work in order to clean the water to give it back to us. It doesn't just fall out of the sky and we're there. I'm Laurie Helden. I'm working here with the team at Water Corp doing the splash of colour right next to Anzac Terrace Primary School, and we're making the asset, the pump station, look pretty. We came to the school, did an art class with them, trying to get as much information as we could out of them about water and how it is in the community and the environment for them.
I think it's a great project because it helps people know that water is important. I've drawn a dragonfly, a ladybug and a duck. They're important to our environment because if one of the animals goes extinct, it could ruin the whole environment.
Fantastic array of drawings from the kids. Lots of birds, turtles, as you can see right there. Loads of people did butterflies and a whole assortment of different bees to choose from. So I ended up just like taking a bit of everyone's and jumbling them up, making a bit of a collage so everyone's represented. These creatures and the riverside scene, it's all to do with things that they appreciate. We'd be at risk of losing if we didn't conserve water. Painting this asset was fantastic because of the shape of it. You can just walk around and get the full circle story. And that suggests water in itself, the way that it flows around the building. The people that have gone past appreciate the splash of colour, literally. Water conservation is important because with our growing population, and especially living in the city, everyone's using what the Water Corp has, and here we've got to look after it.